Have you gotten to the point where you just want to give up on Chat GPT because it's not giving you the quality responses you're hoping for? Let me put you onto a tip. Crafting good prompts is extremely important to receiving quality responses from Chat GPT, but it's only part of it. Creating custom instructions for Chat GPT will take your responses to a whole new level, and I'll show you how to do it on today's TMTT episode. Hello and welcome to another episode of 2-Minute Tip Tuesday, where we share marketing tips and strategies to help real estate agents and mortgage lenders grow their business. And today I'm going to show you an easy way to improve the responses you get from Chat GPT. Real quick, Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence tool that can automate many tasks, find answers to your questions, as well as many other things. And the quality of responses that you get from Chat GPT is all based on the information you provided. I have to give credit to my boss, Bob Stanke, the Vice President of Marketing here at Homes for Heroes, for this tip. I learned this tip by watching his webinar on artificial intelligence, and it has been a game changer for me because it has made using Chat GPT so much more productive and effective. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock, and I'll show you the custom instructions tab within Chat GPT. So an easy way to improve the responses that you get from your prompts in ChatGPT is to create custom instructions in your ChatGPT account. Now, I did not even know that this existed when I first started using ChatGPT, and ever since I've started using the custom instructions, the responses that I've gotten from ChatGPT has vastly improved. So to create custom instructions in your ChatGPT account, you're just going to go down to the lower left-hand corner, and right next to your name and your profile picture, you're going to see these 3 dots. And if you click on it, you'll see this option for custom instructions. And if you click on that, you'll be provided 2 boxes with 2 questions. And all you're going to need to do is provide a response to both of these questions. Now, I have created a response here for my role here at Homes for Heroes as a digital marketer, but I have created some custom instructions as if I was a real estate agent. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to say respond to, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? So I'm just going to go in here and paste this, and you can see my response is, my name is Seth Jessica, and I'm a real estate agent in Denver, Colorado. The name of my real estate brokerage is Seth Sells Denver, and I specialize in helping home buyers and sellers of all types with their real estate needs. Another significant part of my business, real estate business, is that I'm a real estate specialist with Homes for Heroes. Homes for Heroes is a company that affiliates with real estate agents and mortgage lenders nationwide to give back to firefighters, EMS, law enforcement, military, and veterans, healthcare professionals, and teachers every time they buy, sell, or refinance a home. And I am proud to be a local Homes for Heroes real estate specialist to help heroes in Denver, Colorado save money on a home. So essentially, all I'm doing is providing ChatGPT information about me and my business, so that every time I provide ChatGPT a prompt, it's going to reference this information to know exactly what my business is all about and what I am intending to do. Now, the second question that you're going to need to respond to is, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? Now, you can respond to this any way that you like that is consistent with your brand voice and your business. But I've created a response that is pretty standard that I think most real estate agents and mortgage lenders could use. So my response to this question is, I would like you to respond to my request in a mix of formal and casual replies. In general, I would like the responses to be longer, going into a fair amount of depth. You can address me as Seth. In general, try to remain neutral in responses, but occasionally mix in an opinion if you have one, or if I ask for one specifically. So again, you're just telling ChatGPT how you would like it to respond to your prompts. Now, again, you can create a response to this question any way that you like that is consistent with your brand voice and your business. But once you've completed these boxes, all that you need to do is click Save. And now every time you type in a prompt for ChatGPT, it's going to reference those custom instructions to provide you a better response to your prompt. Pretty easy, right? It only takes a few minutes to fill out the custom instructions section, and once you do, Chat GPT will always reference that information to provide you with more qualitative responses that align with your goals. Now, you may have to change up the custom instructions if you're going to use Chat GPT for another purpose, but otherwise, you can just let it be. As always, if you have any questions about this tip or any other tip, please leave those in the comments below, and I will make sure to respond to each and every one of them. I really appreciate you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all right here next Tuesday, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time, for another 2-minute tip. Have a great week, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Make sure you subscribe to the Homes for Heroes For Real YouTube channel for more great content to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business.